Alright, so I got the car on jack stands. Everything's all up in the air. And you know what, while it's up, I'm gonna go ahead and align. That was already aligned. I gotta align this one. I gotta pull it in a couple of degrees, pull the toe in. That's about it. And I have the exhaust laid out. And this is exactly why I haven't had it on for a very long time. At least this part of the muffler. Or this muffler, not part of the muffler, the whole muffler. The stud got sheared off when I first took it off, and this one's about probably on its way out. So this exhaust is just going to be hanging under the car for the meantime until a big surprise comes in. I'll be making a separate video on that, but if you can find something on there on it, it's probably crappy. So I'm really excited to make an updated video on this because no one makes videos on these exhausts that I plan on buying. So yeah, you couldn't see last night, but now you can see. No need to explain. You already know what's going on. Yeah. Just, can somebody send me a sponsor banner for all this? Know what I got going on? Like, this is crazy. But flex pipe is destroyed. Engine header. This piece, I do not want to destroy this piece. I just got done surfing online last night, and they do not make these anymore. On top of that, it's very hard to find them. Extremely hard to find them. Like, it's very tough to find. I only found like one, and it was like 130 something bucks. It was like low-key not even worth it. I mean, it's worth it, but you know, just not. But Jesus Christ, I'll be moving on back here in a bit after I get the exhaust laid off from the car. Alright, so first things first, you're gonna need a 16 for this side, a 16 for this side, and a 14 on the nut. So that's a 16 on the bolt and a 14 for the nut, and that's for all three of these. You take all three of these off, and it should come free. Alright, now your first step of this is gonna be this exhaust hanger in the middle. In your case, you'll be taking this off, but in my case, I'll be putting it on. This is for this one right here, this bracket, and that bracket connected by that rubber hanger. So the best way I've figured that to get this off, because if yours has never been taken off before, it may be a little stuck on, not stuck, but it would be kind of hard to get off. You can either take it off this side or the other side. Just remember which way says up and down. So the easiest way to get it off, which is kind of hard, is to put some WD-40 or some PB Blaster on it. I don't even know if this will work, but maybe water, just to kind of get in between there, get between that metal and that rubber, and kind of make it a little, you know, slippery or whatnot to get it off. And now the next hanger is this last one for the mid pipe under the car. And after that, it should be these two hangers for the muffler, which is here and here. And I'll show what that looks like after I'm done. But for now, I'm just gonna be putting this one up here. And okay, that just fell, but it literally just slides on right there. Just put that on there and push real hard, give it a good push. And there you go. It's on. Alright, now the next part is where the actual full mid pipe connects to the what would be your catalytic converter, but mine wasn't a test pipe. It's pretty much the same process for each one. So you basically just take these bolts, and the easiest way I found to do this is just don't forget your gasket. Do not forget your gasket. Gasket goes right here on the top. You can hang the gasket there and align it. This is not easy to do with one hand. So take this, hang it that way, and then pretty much just take this, align it there, bolt up. Alright, now everything's all finished. The muffler's put on. After it's all said and done, this basically just slide this hanger on like so, like the other ones, and slide that hanger on as well. And don't mind me missing one. I broke it a long time ago, but this isn't gonna be on here for long. I just got one hand on there for long, for now, not for long. Basically that's just the whole process of either taking off your exhaust and putting it on. For me, I was putting it on, and same thing, vice versa. Picking it up, putting it on, same thing. And I'll just be skipping to a sound clip after I lower the car and get everything taken off and whatnot. It's gonna be the first start of like the actual exhaust in the car. It just sounds like a car with a cracked manifold. Sounds better than before. Alright, catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully the next video will be me putting another exhaust on here. I'll just skip all the process and I'll just skip to the crank clip and do a review on the exhaust probably. But hope this video was helpful. Hope you learned something. And hope it saved you $150 or whatever, how many bucks they charge you at the exhaust shop to do this. See you guys in the next video.